Welcome to Casa Grande Monaco Villa. Let me quickly give you the top reasons why you need to invest now at Casa Grande Monaco Villa. Casa Grande Advantage. With over 22 years of excellence in the real estate industry, Casa Grande Builders is the #1 developer in Chennai, ranked as the top 7 in India and top 2 in South India. With over 55,000 plus happy customers and 7,000 homes sold just last year, with over 65,000 plus happy customers and 7,000 homes sold just last year, Casa Grande stands tall with 160 plus landmark projects present across 6 key cities like Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune, Coimbatore, and Dubai. Committed to the highest quality standards with 2,000 plus multi-level checks and assured on-time delivery, Casa Grande offers 7-year warranty with 10-year maintenance and hassle-free guaranteed rental and resale services. Casa Grande Monaco Villa for the ultimate luxury living. Location and price. Casa Grande Monaco Villa is located at Mechil, North Hyderabad, just 10 minutes from exit number 6. Mechil is North Hyderabad's fastest emerging growth corridor and next big investment hotspot for smart investors and home buyers. Perfectly connected through NH44 and Outer Ring Road, Mechil connects you across the city to Kompally, Bhavanpalli, Kanlakoya, Balanagar, and Secunderabad. Its close proximity to the reputed schools, healthcare centers, rapid industrial expansion zones, transport hubs with upcoming Metro Phase 3 make it one of North Hyderabad's most preferred residential destinations. Located in one of the fastest emerging high-demand investment corridors, Casa Grande Monaco Villas offers ultra-luxurious 4,500 plus square feet 5 BHK villas with a home theatre and a rooftop private pool provision offered at rupees 5.23 crore, featuring 55 plus world-class amenities, high-end specifications, and all the benefits of a community lifestyle with long-term appreciation potential. Product planning. Casa Grande Monaco Villa is a 5.79-acre community with 25 ultra-luxurious contemporary elevation-style 5 BHK villas with a home theatre, 2,700 square feet private garden all around the villas with a perfect blend of nature and luxury. Homes feature an optional 400 square feet private rooftop pool provision. 18 by 27 feet extensive living and dining opens out to a huge 10 feet wide backyard. Remarkably nowhere in Hyderabad to offer the largest master suite, 20 by 14 feet and 18 by 13 feet wide bedrooms with dedicated dresser and bigger baths of 9 by 8 feet. Cross-ventilated villas with 10 feet ceiling height, glass windows and convertible balcony in bedrooms offer 3 times more ventilation, ample lighting and panoramic views. A customizable private home theatre with a huge open terrace designed for family gatherings, maid room and a toilet with a separate entry for added privacy. Every villa is compatible with lift provision for convenient accessibility. 100% Vastu compliant homes with no wastage of spaces. 70% open space with lush greenery encourage recreational activities within the community. Highest quality standards, superior craftsmanship ensure every square foot of construction is built to perfection. Amenities and specifications featuring 55 plus world-class amenities and 2 dedicated clubhouses of 9,700 square feet, 2,700 square feet swimming pool, amphitheater, multi-purpose sports court, mini theater, gym, koi ponds, themed gardens, and many more amenities to indulge in a luxury lifestyle. Every home is crafted with ultra-luxurious specifications like Italian marble flooring, grand double shutter main door with face recognition door lock, EV charging compatibility, projectors provision in home theater, 100% DG and solar power backup, high-end CP and sanitary fittings with spa-style shower with bathtub, rain and hand shower, openable glass shower partition, granite countertop wash basins, and much more elevating your everyday living experience. Completion timeline. At Casa Grande, we have our in-house construction team and we finish every project at the most optimal speed. Hence, Casa Grande is committed to deliver Casa Grande Monaco Villa in just 19 months. compared to the general market handing over timeline of 36 plus months, which increases your pre-EMI burden. Casa Grande Monaco Villa, the world's finest, now in your everyday, for the chosen few. So go for it and book now.